How's your trip? Lekker?
We've got the best tour guide in the house.
Who?
It's Lynn's Travel.
Those are my friends. Okay, I really don't think this thing is here like naturally, unless it comes from way up there. But who bought the shrimp in a waterfall? What is this, a shrimp? I don't know why I always do the pizza. I would not people that are not that awkward. I have to do something. So relaxing! What is down there? Give me the camera, I want to see what's down there. What is it? I'm very afraid. You cannot feel anything. So nice. Whee! Wow! Not majestic at all. Smile! I'm trying. Say hi. Hi. Yes, it's Lynn! Okay, I think I'm done. Got you. Barefooter up the hill. It's a little bit more strenuous than I expected. It's like quite a steep hill. I thought it was just like 2 flights of stairs. Where am I going? I don't even know what's up here. And I just didn't prepare for this. Annoying shoes. I'm just gonna slide down on the side there. Actually, maybe I should walk up there. It's a little bit less uncomfortable. Yes. Much better grip. Never mind. Oh, it's like sandpaper on my feet. I want to turn back, but at the same time, I need to see what's at the top. Where's my oxygen? Holy cow. Why can I not breathe? Oh, I'm sick. I forgot. Okay, I need a break. But it's still not the top. It's not that bad, but it's like not easy to do when you're very tired. I'm running on like 45 minutes to an hour of sleep. We went out last night. Then we got up very early. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't know what it is. Holy cow. I don't know where the main waterfall is. I think it's still to my right. Okay, I know I shouldn't go here where there's a fence break. I'm not going to go too close to the edge. Just want to see what's going on. Can't see. Don't know where I am. Still think the waterfall's still more that way. Wow, this is almost more beautiful than the bottom. And I just took a glance, but it looks definitely worth a visit. Look at this. Look at it. Wait, is this an artificial waterfall? Why do I see pipes? Is this a pump? Thailand. Thailand, what is you doing? Why are you always cooking the people? Why are you always pumping the water? It says no entry. Look how they stop you, like they just don't. Just kind of like enter at your own risk. It's an artificial waterfall. I mean, I think the water does pool from other places, but there's a pump. There goes some of the magic. Man, I wonder how much. Let me just go. Nika's waiting for me at the bottom of the stairs, but let me just go. Oh, this is so comfortable to walk on. Sorry, let me finish my sentence. I just want to go here. Just check. Oh, there is quite a bit of water. Oh, I swear I saw something move here. Anyway, there's water here. Looks like natural water. And then the waterfall is over there. And there's water in the background over there as well. But yeah, I think this is a artificially simulated waterfall. I think it's just helped along, you know, like there probably was like a once upon a time and it drew some people. And now they just keep it going because, you know, it's tourism and it's beautiful. No one needs to know it's fake. And even if they did, they'd still come. It's beautiful.